Hey, what's up everybody? So just want to give a quick update on the Ford Maverick. Finally got around to getting it tinted all the way around. So I did a ceramic tint on the front windshield, all the windows, and the back glass. And for the wife, we did a 70% ceramic on the front windshield, and we did a 30% all the way around. So we did 30%, which is legal where we live, in the front, and then I added 30% on top of the already factory tinted glass in the back windows and on the back glass. So it gives it a nice tint. You can hardly see through it, but it's still very visible at night, be able to look out. And that's mainly what we wanted to do for the wife. And it had to be ceramic so we can eliminate as much of the UV and heat coming in. My wife does a lot of miles and she sees her patients around town, so I wanted to reduce the heat and UV lights that would get to her. And then on mine, I did the same legal 30% up front. Did a 70% ceramic on the windshield. And then I did 5% on top of the factory tinted glass in the back and back here. So you can see out from the inside, but you can hardly see in from the outside. And then we also, while we were at it, removed the black vinyl film that exists here on these pillars. Go out and check out your Mavericks and look at these pillars here, and you'll see that from the factory there's black vinyl that they added on top. I went ahead and pulled those off for a much cleaner look, in my opinion. See if I can get a better view. There's a side view. Alright, so you can see that there is body paint underneath that black vinyl in case you want to do it yourself on your vehicle. And we also did it on the Raptor too while we were at it. So there was this black vinyl here. I don't know why they did it. Maybe from door contact or whatever, I don't know. But it's just body paint underneath. We peeled off that black vinyl. It wraps around the edges, front and back, and a little bit underneath the gasket. But if you just take your time and work it, you can get it off too. Alright guys, that's the tint. I wanted to show you guys and compare between the 30% in the rear and 5% in the back. Alright guys, thanks for checking it out. Alright, I want to give you guys a view of what it looks like outside of the windshield with the tint. This is 70% ceramic tint. It's it's afternoon. I think it's like almost 7 p.m. here, Central. Alright, so that's 70. Let's take a look at the passenger side. And again, this is 30% ceramic. Passenger. Oh, looks good. This is a driver. Alright, so you can clearly see out the rearview mirror. Alright, let's take a look at the back. So out the back passenger side window, you can see just fine. And this is 30% ceramic. This is the same as on the front two windows, passenger and driver. It's just on top of the factory tint already that exists. So you can clearly see it's good. Alright, let's go hop in the Raptor and see what it looks like with 5%. Alright, so these windows are going to be the same up front. It's 70 out the front, 30 out the side. Alright, so that's 5% on top of the factory tint. Clearly see, you can see out, no problem. But from outside trying to look in, it's almost impossible. You gotta get it right up on it. Let's see, let me show you. Yep, there's just no, and the reflection's too strong.